Hi everyone, I'm Janelle from Emmaline, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these pleats in the bottom of my pattern, the Flora Wristlet. Okay, so we're going to make straight, even pleats across the bottom, and it's actually so easy. If you look at the pattern piece, there are points A and B, but we really even don't need those just to make this. It's just too simple. I'll show you exactly how it goes. Okay, so the most important thing is to have your exterior piece wrong side up with the base of it at the top. Okay, and in the pattern pieces I have these labeled A and these labeled B, these points. And what we're going to do first is just fold the first point to center. I also have a center mark that's A, so the A point goes to A at center. So we'll just fold it back. And in the pattern you'll notice that I mentioned keeping a straight line. And if you just use a mark on your mat as a guide, you can just keep a straight line going across. So first fold it back with the point at center, and then fold it up and line that up so it's nice and straight. Okay, so we've got a straight line going across, and pin that in place. And then we'll take the B point and bring it down here, folding at this center of this crevice here. Fold that back, still keeping a straight line, and then back up. Now I'm just gonna have a quick check and make sure everything is lined up straight. And this is even easier if you're using the cotton fabric or the cork fabric. So those are our pleats on one side. Now we're just going to do the other side. Take that point and match it to the center marking and fold it back on itself. Pin. I'm doing this kind of quick, so you could take a little bit more time and make sure it's super straight. And there we are. So we've got a nice straight base across the bottom, and now we just want to base stitch across just like I've done on this one. So you'll baste within the seam allowance, and when you stitch them together you'll have these gorgeous pleats that really are a nice feature on this really easy clutch. You can find the pattern at 𝐓𝐔𝐓𝐑𝐈𝐁𝐄, and there's options in the instructions for tweed and cork and fabric. Just have a lot of fun with it. Thanks for watching.